Karnataka Lokayukta has revealed that Sardar Sarfaraz Khan, Director of Cooperative Societies and an aide to Housing Minister Zameer Ahmed Khan, was found in possession of assets worth 14.38 crore. According to Lokayukta officials, Sarfaraz Khan is also serving as Secretary to the government in the Housing and Minority Welfare Department. Raids were carried out on December 24, 2025 in connection with a disproportionate assets case. The Lokayukta team conducted searches at 13 locations linked to Khan, including his houses, offices and the residence of his relatives. During the raids, officials recovered documents and assets indicating large-scale accumulation of wealth beyond known sources of income. Investigators found that Khan owns 4 residential properties and around 37 acres of agricultural land, together valued at approximately 8.44 crore. Ornaments worth 3 crore rupees were also seized. In addition, vehicles worth 1.64 crore and fixed deposits along with other investments estimated at 5.94 crore were detected. The Lokayukta said further investigation is underway to verify the sources of the assets and determine the extent of financial irregularities.